Hello students, today we will start our first chapter operating system. In this you will come to know what is operating system, what are their functions, but before that it is explained in your book that what is hardware and what is software. That you are doing from your lower classes, what is hardware and what is software. So let me explain you what is hardware firstly. Hardware are the physical parts of the computer. You have seen the parts that monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU. The parts that you can see or you can touch. All the physical parts of the computer that you can see and you can touch is known as hardware. For example, CPU, keyboard and chips and cards which we put, or monitor, printer, scanner. These all are hardware devices. Okay. And what is software? That is instructions or the programs that are stored in your computer, in your CPU, which you can see but you cannot touch. The application softwares like MS Word, Paint, which you use where you draw, MS PowerPoint where you make presentations. So that softwares, that applications, that programs you can see but you cannot touch them. Okay, so that is known as software. So you have to learn the difference between hardware and software, and you should know what is hardware and software. In your book you can read afterwards. Hardware is the physical part which you can see and you can touch, and the examples are also given. And software refers to the instructions or the programs that tells the hardware what to do. Okay, what you have to do, we give instructions to the computer, and like we want to draw a line, then we select straight line and we draw it using pen icon or using pencil icon. So we give the instructions, but we cannot touch it. Okay, so that is not a physical medium, that is just a instruction or a program, that is known as software. Now they have written hardware and software are interdependent. They are not independent, they are interdependent, and they are complementary to each other. It means that hardware needs software and software needs hardware. They both need each other. How? If you have hardware and you are not having software, can you work on your computer? Otherwise computer will be a box. You cannot work on that if software is not there. And if you are having software but you are not having computer, then where will you install that software? How will you work? So you need both. Okay, so that's why hardware and software are complementary to each other. Hardware needs the software to operate, and software cannot be utilized, cannot be used without the supporting hardware. So you need both. They have given you the example of mobile phone. Mobile is hardware, phone is hardware, and if no application you have installed in that mobile, you can't call from there, you cannot see message, you cannot chat there, or you cannot listen songs from that mobile, you cannot use anything. Then what is the fun of that mobile phone? It's like a empty box. So mobile phone needs both. It's a hardware but it needs software in that. So that's why hardware and software both are complementary to each other. Next is types of software. There are two types. One is application, another is system. Now what is application software? Apps which you normally use in your mobile, that are application softwares. In your computer you use MS Word, you use MS PowerPoint, you use MS Paint, that is application software. So application software is a set of programs designed to perform some specific type. कोई भी type हो सकती है. Like you want to make presentation, so you will use MS PowerPoint. You want to draw something, you will use MS Paint. You can use Tux Paint. And if you want to write something as a document, you will use MS Word. So these all are application software. Then what is system software? System software, again programs and instructions are there. Software तो यही होते हैं, instructions या programs. But system software instructions जो होती हैं वो हमारे लिए नहीं होती, वो operating system के लिए होती हैं, computer के लिए होती हैं. That are the instructions जो हमारे computer को control करता है, हमारे computer को manage करता है, हमारे सारे काम को manage करता है. Okay, that is actually system software. So system software is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manages the overall operation and performance of the computer system. एप्स तो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एप्स के थ्रू हमें आउटपुट कैसे मिल रही है, एप्स हमारा काम कैसे कर रही है पीछे से, सीपीयू उसको कैसे कंट्रोल कर रहा है. इफ यू आर वर्किंग, if you are playing video also, you are working on MS Word also, so at a time both applications you are using. तो उसको मैनेज कौन कर रहा है कि पहले कभी अभी कौन सा प्ले करना है, अभी कौन सा प्ले करना है, आपको तो साथ साथ सुनता है, लेकिन सीपीयू एट अ टाइम एक ही काम कर रहा होता है. तो कभी उसको पकड़ता है, कभी उसको पकड़ता है, तो वो कौन मैनेज करता है? वो एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. तो व्हाट इज दैट सिस्टम? सॉफ्टवेयर. So system software it can be classified into different categories like operating system, language processor, device drivers, utility software. These are the types of system software only. Till the time you just have to see the names only. You don't have to go in detail. We will do afterwards. Operating system, language processor, device drivers, utility softwares. These all are system software. But now we will start with operating system only. What is an operating system? Now before starting what is an operating system, I want to explain you this example which they have given here. They are saying that in school we have school principal. If school principal is not there, just imagine if school principal is not there, then management will be there. Tell me, how will you manage each and everything? It's a duty of school principal to do the various responsibilities or to assign various responsibilities to the students, to teachers, to workers, to everybody regarding examination, regarding timetable, regarding curriculum of the school, PTM, visitors, everything from small to small thing. It's the work of school principal to manage each and everything, to assign the duties. So, if school principal is not there, then how will you manage each and everything? How school will manage each and everything? It will not be a proper school. It will be unorganized, properly unorganized. Okay. So if you want to manage, you need one person who will act as a manager, who will act as a boss, and who will organize everything. So the work of school principal is to manage each and everything. Same as here in computer, the work of operating system is to manage each and everything. We have different hardwares. We have monitor, we have mouse, we have keyboard, we have printer, and we have different applications also to operate. But इन सबको मैनेज करने के लिए कोई ना कोई तो होना चाहिए. तो वो काम कौन करता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Normally you have seen operating system in your computer Windows only. Nowadays people use Windows only, but we have other operating systems also like Linux, Mac operating system, Unix, Ubuntu, or some people use like iOS. Okay, so these are different operating system that we use in our computers. So operating system act as like an interface. How it act as an interface? Interface किसके बीच में? हमारे बीच में और हार्डवेयर के बीच में. Okay, हार्डवेयर क्या है? The computer. See, this is user, this is your machine, computer. Now if I say that operate computer directly without having any interface in between, or I'll give you a simple example that if you have to switch on the fan, how will you switch on the fan? You press on the button and you will switch on the fan. But for example, that button is not there. You want to switch on the fan, but button is not present. Then how will you switch on the fan? You don't know about the hardware of that fan, or you don't know about the wiring system. You will call that person that who knows that wiring system, and he will join two wires and he will make a connection. Then you can start the fan, but it will be very complex procedure. Okay, so it will not be very efficient procedure. So you need one interface between you and fan to switch on that, to work on that. तो स्विच हमारा क्या कर रहा है? इंटरफेस का काम कर रहा है. सेम एज हियर, यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन दैट कंप्यूटर. उस मशीन पे आपको काम करना है, बट यू डोंट नो द लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट मशीन. यू डोंट नो मशीन लैंग्वेज, यू डोंट नो द हार्डवेयर सिस्टम, रैम कैसे करती है, रोम कैसे करती है, चिप्स, बसेस, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर इन दैट कंप्यूटर. यू कैनॉट वर्क डायरेक्टली ऑन दैट. ओके, सो यू नीड वन इंटरफेस बिटवीन यू एंड कंप्यूटर. तो वो इंटरफेस कौन होता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Operating system knows everything about computer. एंड यू लर्न अबाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. आपको विंडोज़ का पता है, विंडोज़ में आइकन्स होते हैं, डेस्कटॉप होता है, डेस्कटॉप पे आइकन को आप डबल क्लिक करते हो तो वो ओपन हो जाती है. ओके, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को सारा कंप्यूटर के बारे में पता है, राइट? तो लाइक दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक्ट एज इंटरफेस बिटवीन यू एंड योर machine. Okay, so what is an operating system? Operating system, you can learn the definition from here. It acts as a central coordinator between hardware and software. Hardware provides a user with basic physical resources to work upon. The application software empowers the user to perform variety of functions. कौन से functions? Which functions they provide you? Applications like you can create document, you can play games, you can solve different problems. Okay, so operating system act like as interface between hardware and software, you can say, and between us also and the computer. Now what is the need for an operating system? ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की हमें? इसी चीज़ के लिए, because it act as interface between us. Like hardware, if we say hardware अकेला है हमारे पास, तो हार्डवेयर इज नथिंग इफ यू डोंट हैव एप्लीकेशंस इन दैट. और हमें क्या काम करना है, कैसे करना है, ये कौन हमें बताता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बताता है. सो देयर आर 3 ऑपरेशंस दैट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डू फॉर अस. व्हाट टू डू, व्हेन टू डू, हाउ टू डू, ये सारा काम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का है. ये सारे ऑपरेशंस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम परफॉर्म करता है. क्या काम करना है, कब करना है, कैसे करना है. इफ यू आर गिविंग कमांड दैट प्ले अ सॉन्ग, हमने तो डबल क्लिक कर दिया, ऊपर से 2-3 काम और चल रहे हैं कंप्यूटर में. कोई डाउनलोडिंग चल रही है आपकी, या कोई प्रोसेसिंग आपकी चल रही है किसी और चीज़ की, लाइक वीडियो आप बना रहे हो, ठीक है, साथ साथ में आपको एक सॉन्ग भी प्ले करना है, आपने तो कमांड दे दी. पर वो कैसे होगा? व्हेन टू डू, हाउ टू डू, उसी टाइम सॉन्ग प्ले तो हो जाता है, आपको तो दिखता है, लेकिन जो हमारा सीपीयू है, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है, एक प्रोसेसर है, अगर हमारा सिंगल प्रोसेसर हमारा कंप्यूटर है, तो वो कैसे करता है उसको? एट ए टाइम वो 1 एप्लीकेशन ही रन कर सकता है, बट उसकी स्पीड इतनी फास्ट होती है कि हमें लगता है कि वो सारे तीनों काम एक साथ हो रहे हैं, लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं होता. एट ए टाइम वो एक बार डाउनलोडिंग वाली साइट पे जाता है, फिर वो ऑडियो पे जाता है, फिर वो आपकी वीडियो प्रोसेसिंग पे जाता है. लाइक दिस इट गोज 1 by 1 टू ऑल साइड्स. तो कैसे करना है, कब करना है, ये सारा उसको कौन बताता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बताता है, राइट? तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का ये सारा काम होता है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के कौन कौन से काम हैं? दीज आर द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. और जितने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हैं हमारे पास, लाइक विंडोज़ है, लाइनक्स है, विंडोज़ के कितने सारे हैं, विंडोज़ 7, विंडोज़ 8, विंडोज़ 8.1, विंडोज़ 10, मैक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, यूनिक्स. तो वो जितने भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हैं, ये सबके ये मेन फंक्शंस हैं. ये सभी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम परफॉर्म करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट, नेक्स्ट इज मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट, फाइल मैनेजमेंट, device management, security. These all are the different functions of the operating system. So this we will study next time. Okay, so read up to this only. Thank you.